Ladder placement is really important to being efficient and fast. You look at a set of windows like this, and if you can strategically place a ladder to where you can reach multiple windows or get amount of glass per placement, you're going to be more efficient. It's going to be less up and down on the ladder and less tiring. And so that comes with experience, but when you get to a wall, kind of think, where can I place a ladder that's going to allow me to get the most window? Carrying the ladder, when you're carrying a ladder that's extended, obviously if you're carrying a ladder that's extended, it should be for short distances, like if you're moving it from placement to placement. I like to get my left arm, I'm right-handed, but I get my left hand down low and reach my, my right hand up high, and I lift it and move it along like this. Obviously if it's windy or anything like that, you're going to have to be really careful. This isn't a great way to carry it really long distances, but if you just need to move it from set to set, this is a great way to do it. Your arm up here is stabilizing it and kind of keeping control, and this arm is lifting and moving it around.